In which year did the Gunpowder Plot take place? The correct answer is 1605. Who was the principal mastermind behind the Gunpowder Plot? The correct answer is Robert Catesby. Which part of the Palace of Westminster did the conspirators plan to destroy? The correct answer is House of Lords Chamber. Which monarch was the intended target of the Gunpowder Plot? The correct answer is King James I. On what date is Guy Fawkes Night celebrated each year in the UK? The correct answer is November 5th. What is the name of the anonymous warning that exposed the plot? The correct answer is the Monteagle Letter. Where were the barrels of gunpowder hidden inside Parliament? The correct answer is A cellar beneath the House of Lords. Who apprehended Guy Fawkes in the early hours of November 5, 1605? The correct answer is Sir Thomas Knivet. Under what alias did Guy Fawkes guard the explosives? The correct answer is John Johnson. In which English city was Guy Fawkes born in 1570? The correct answer is York. In which continental war did Guy Fawkes gain military experience? The correct answer is the 80 Years' War. Which faith united the Gunpowder Plot conspirators? The correct answer is Roman Catholicism. Where was Guy Fawkes imprisoned following his arrest? The correct answer is the Tower of London. What gruesome punishment was Guy Fawkes sentenced to suffer? The correct answer is hanged, drawn, and quartered. Which conspirator is widely believed to have sent the warning letter? The correct answer is Francis Tresham. How many barrels of gunpowder were discovered beneath Parliament? The correct answer is 36. The observance of November 5th Act 1606 was commonly known by what Thanksgiving-inspired name? The correct answer is the Thanksgiving Act. In which year was the observance of November 5th Act finally repealed? The correct answer is 1859. Whom did the plotters intend to place on the throne after the explosion? The correct answer is Princess Elizabeth. Which nobleman received the letter that warned of a terrible blow? The correct answer is William Parker, 4th Baron Monteagle. Who owned the undercroft that the conspirators secretly rented? The correct answer is John Wynyard. In which London tavern did the core conspirators first swear their oath? The correct answer is the Duck and Drake. Which conspirator secured the lease on the House of Lords cellar? The correct answer is Thomas Percy. Which Jesuit superior was executed for allegedly knowing of the plot through confession? The correct answer is Henry Garnet. Which statesman coordinated the Crown's response to the plot? The correct answer is Robert Cecil. At which Staffordshire house did several conspirators make their last stand? The correct answer is Holbesh House. In which English region did the plotters hope to spark a wider uprising? The correct answer is the Midlands. What timekeeping device was found on Guy Fawkes when he was captured? The correct answer is a pocket watch. Guy Fawkes claimed to serve which fellow conspirator while using the name John Johnson? The correct answer is Thomas Percy. Whose written confession provided many details of the conspiracy after capture? The correct answer is Thomas Wintour. What is the famous opening line of the traditional bonfire night rhyme? The correct answer is remember, remember the 5th of November. What do children traditionally ask for while displaying their homemade effigies? The correct answer is a penny for the guy. Which English county is most closely associated with the spicy parkin cake? The correct answer is Yorkshire. Which ingredient gives traditional parkin its signature warmth? The correct answer is ginger. What is the name for apples coated in glossy caramel and eaten on bonfire night? The correct answer is toffee apples. Bonfire toffee is popularly known by what treacle-filled nickname? The correct answer is treacle toffee. Which hot beverage is commonly served to warm revelers at bonfire events? The correct answer is mulled cider. Which handheld firework is famous for writing names in the air? The correct answer is sparklers. How old must you be to legally purchase fireworks in the UK? The correct answer is 18. By law, when must fireworks displays usually finish on ordinary nights in the UK? The correct answer is 11 p.m. Which Sussex town is renowned for its torchlit bonfire night processions? The correct answer is Lewes. The Lewes celebrations commemorate the execution of which group of Protestant martyrs? The correct answer is the Lewes martyrs. Which Devon town races through the streets carrying flaming tar barrels? The correct answer is Ottery St. Mary. Which Warwickshire fortress stages dramatic bonfire night fireworks against its medieval walls? The correct answer is Warwick Castle. Which North London landmark hosts an annual fireworks display overlooking the city? The correct answer is Alexandra Palace. Major bonfire night displays in central London often light up which river? The correct answer is the Thames. Which stylized mask linked to bonfire night became a modern protest symbol? The correct answer is Guy Fawkes mask. Which graphic novel popularized the modern Guy Fawkes mask? The correct answer is V for Vendetta. Which UK law introduced strict licensing for the sale of fireworks in 2003? The correct answer is the Fireworks Act. Which repeated line from the bonfire night rhyme ends with gunpowder, treason and plot? The correct answer is remember, remember.